Hey everyone, today let's talk about two words you might be using the wrong way, literary and irony. The first one, literary. This word means something is actually true. If it actually happened, you can use the word literary. Let's see some examples. I am literally dying of laughter. Is that true? Are you really dying? No, that can't be. So you can't use literary here. Second one, I am literally fell off my chair laughing. That's a true statement, so you can use literary here. Remember, use literary when something is 100% true. Second one, ironic. This is when something happens that is the opposite of what you expect. Something opposite of what you expect. Let's see examples. It is ironic that it rained today. Okay, this is a situation that already happened, no expectations, so this is wrong. Second one, it's ironic that the fire station caught on fire. Can you believe? Did you expect a fire at the fire station? No, that is different from our expectation. Here you can use irony.